So I do think that we do actually have a very sensitive generation on our hands where people ask questions or say things and it's taken out of context in a snap of a finger. People are too quick to respond, create their own interpretations of situations that that individual might not be alluding to. So Dave Ramsey asked this individual about his culture. And I beg to say that it takes a lot of emotional intelligence to incorporate what we call cultural humility. What is culture? Culture is a way of life of any certain individual. What is cultural humility? Cultural humility is not just acknowledging a different culture, but being humble enough to lean on the person who is of that culture as the expert of the culture to educate you. So when someone is saying something to you, I think that his reaction was very respectful in the sense that he sought, first of all, to see, are you from a different culture? Because if you do have an understanding that, okay, this is a cultural thing, there's a different approach you will give to it. As a clinician, there is that need to practice cultural humility in every interaction with a patient. Because guess what? There are cultural practices that people practice that are normal for them, i.e., if an individual has a certain reactivity or style of communication, I cannot in good faith say that this individual has a personality disorder because this is peculiar to that individual's culture. And actually, that is stereotyping if I am, based off of this individual's culture, now giving them a diagnosis as a result of that. But when I leave it up to that person to educate me of their culture and I am not making my decisions based off of that person's culture, that's emotional intelligence right there. Asking someone if they're of a different culture, it's just to gain insight. I've seen videos on social media of people who have different ideology or interpretation of Dave Ramsey asking this individual if he's from a different culture. Guys, it's not a big deal. You can respectfully ask people if they're from a different culture so that you're trying to gain an understanding and you're able to relate with them on that level. Because if I don't have that understanding, then I'm relating with that person like I'm relating with someone of same culture as me, and it's not. And when we talk of culture, we're not talking about just location, geographical location, right? We're talking about way of life of a certain people, which include career field wise. There's a certain culture in different career fields, right? That you see and you know